Okay, pirouette, ready? Ready, 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 ready? One more time, pirouette, pirouette. Here we go. Okay, see ya. Good motorcycle morning.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Good motorcycle morning, or good no motorcycle morning. I'm sure you can see why. We got, I don't want to say it's rare, but you know, it is winter. It is expected, but it's pretty rare for us to get this amount of snow around here. Snow, I say, this is a lot of ice with a little bit of dusting of snow on top. Really, really packed. Not motorcycle riding weather at all. Shady would not like this very much at all. Okay, pirouette, ready? Ready, 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 ready? One more time, pirouette, pirouette. Here we go. So, I guess I'll see y'all again next week with a motorcycle on Good Motorcycle Morning. I realize a motorcycle is an integral part of Good Motorcycle Morning, but it's not happening this week, guys. Thank y'all for checking me out. Thank y'all for checking out this pointless video, and I'll see y'all again next week. See ya. Have a good day.